And there's the bell. This match has got the hair on the back of my neck standing up, Michael. This is going to be great.
Just making his presence felt there.
Knocked down. What a shot. Where did this explosion of offense come from? He's having a seriously hard time getting back to his feet after that.
You see it all in WWE, fighting, scratching, and punching like right there.
Those are all the moves you used on me in our Wrestlemania match, Cole.
Definitely looking confident in this one-on-one environment. That's a good sign.
Look how slow he is to recover here. That was some serious punishment.
This is a level of destruction no one was expecting.
I certainly didn't expect to see this kind of damage. Ow! Get ready, folks! Get ready!
He's going all out. This is bad.
No kidding. How much more can this guy stand?
These superstars looking for a victory, looking to build momentum.
You're right about that. Momentum is so important in a match like this.
We're looking at complete domination here. The WWE audience is no stranger to the stylings of Chris Jericho. They know when he's on the scene, anything can and will be said, and anything can and will happen. It's just a matter of who Jericho is targeting on that particular day. Thank you for closing out your weekend with us. We have plenty of action. Nobody comes back from this.
Wow, he's still down after that.
Look past the ring at the thousands and thousands of WWE fans in attendance. Each and every one of them are having a great time tonight.
Oh, you're right about that. You always have a great time when you attend a WWE event live, just like we are here tonight. This is wonderful.
Folks, we're coming to you live from Minneapolis, which of course was the home of the AWA for so many decades. Now, who does a methodical pace benefit, King?
Well, I'll tell you, whenever the dominating competitor takes his time, it gives everybody a chance to catch their breath.
The repetition on that move is becoming deliberate at this point. He's bringing it back inside the ring now.
I can't blame him. Keep it in the ring. Boy, he is really tired now. That tank of his has to be reading empty.
It has to be, King. But I still don't see him giving up.
He's pulling out all the stops tonight. Oh, once you get out of the ring, anything can happen. You've got exposed steel, concrete, the barricades.
Uh-oh, there's the elbow drop.
The elbow drop has hit again. 6. He's too good inside the ring to be out on the floor for long.
I don't agree with you, King. Unleashing it for the second time now.
3. I'm not sure I can watch this.
Take a look at that again.
4. 5.
Nobody home there.
Nobody home? Cole, that looked like the house has been empty for months. 7. Wow, he's still down after that.
8. So damaging.
Well, we're on the move here. 2. Chris Jericho doing a great job of turning that around. 3. Nice move. Oh, out here you have to be able to think on your feet lightning fast. One mistake mistake, one moment of hesitation, and you can find yourself in a world of hurt.
He's delivering an old-fashioned butt kicking right here.
Boy, he just got laid out. Wow, it doesn't get much better than that right there.
He's bringing it back inside the ring now.
I can't blame him. Keep it in the ring. Hey, the elbow is one of the hardest parts of the body. Why not use it? Well, we're on the move here.
Looks like he's pinpointing the back.
Uh-oh.
King, just look at this man. He's all business.
And that's the way he has to be if he wants to win here tonight. How much more? How much more are you willing to pay to win this match? This is unreal.
It's got to be hard to rebound from that one.
This match has taken so much out of this guy. He's not going to give up. But man, this has been physical.
Hot crowd here tonight in Minneapolis, a city so rich in wrestling tradition. He's making a statement here with this attack.
This may settle the score right here.
Someone really should check out. I mean, a maneuver like that takes your career and it just flashes it before your very eyes.
Yeah, that wouldn't be a very long flash for you, Cole, but this guy's in trouble. Oh, that had to have knocked him silly.
Man, oh man, did he take a wild swing with that one.
You're right. That was wild indeed. Good thing we're over here.
One move after the other. It's devastating.
This is hard to watch. This is going to be bad. Well, the trick sometimes when you get outside the ring is survival. The match becomes almost secondary when you get near all these dangerous objects.
Back in the ring again.
Good. Keep it in the ring, guys.
Oh, and he missed that one. God, that's gotta hurt.
Yeah, you're not doing any damage with swings like that, but keep doing it. The breeze may give him a cold.
These superstars looking for a victory, looking to build momentum.
You're right about that. Momentum is so important in a match like this. Oh, and a terrific reversal by Chris Jericho. Oh, wait, nice reversal. That suplex was picture perfect. Wow, he's still down after that.
Ladies and gentlemen, it doesn't get any bigger than this. A match under the bright lights of Wrestlemania.
Cole, what's he got in mind?
Oh, be ready to move. I got a bad feeling about this.
Yeah, you could say that again, Cole. Oh, this spells trouble right here.
On the table, what destruction. With absolutely no care for their own well-being. That announcer's table has been completely annihilated.
Good grief. That thing looks like a pile of sawdust at a lumberyard. He wants this battle decided inside the ring.
And that's why he's such a great athlete, such an important superstar.
He needs to dig way down deep if he wants to keep going now. He's too good inside the ring to be out on the floor for long.
I don't agree with you, King.
He's showing no signs of letting up.
This could be all she wrote.
That's it. He's done. He sees it.
There's no coming back from that. And here we see it from this angle.
Oh my gosh, looks even worse from here.
What's he going to do here? What's he going to do here?
Look at that. I don't know if there's a single strike that superstars try to avoid more. And there's why. You're not getting up from that.
Can he score the pin? 2, 3. When Chris King did it, what a huge win.
What a physical match.
Uh-oh. Look at that stare. Oh, no!
Come on. You won the match. Enough's enough.